While searching for some new ideas to use old jeans, I ran across these fantastic creations from the ingenious folks at Pinterest. There are some really great ideas on this list, and I'd like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes or 100 likes, I will recreate the winning idea. To recreate jeans like this, get a bleach pen and either freehand or use a stencil to make this beautiful set of jeans. Cut the seams out of some jeans and simply roll it up. Use a natural cordage to attach your necklace chain to. Get some cardboard and make a box similar to this. Use the buttons as pulls for your drawers, and remember the pockets on the outside and you're all set. This roll-up pouch is perfect for paintbrushes, pens, and any other long utensils. Cut 1-inch strips of denim. Twist it as you wrap it around itself, using thread to secure the basket together. Cut off the seams from a pair of jeans. Attach the clasp and a cute little charm. Now you have a cute denim choker. Slit the back of a pair of jeans up to just below the pockets. Then place a triangular shaped piece of fabric in the area that you cut in the middle. Place the fabric anywhere else you would like on your jeans, such as around the bottom of the pant. This one is pretty easy. Find jeans of 3 different colors. Cut each pant leg to match the strips for the stripes on the purse. Next, cut an oval a little larger than the bottom of your purse and sew the stripped pieces to it to make the bottom. Make the straps and a lining and you are all set. What a cool picnic blanket! Cut a variety of jeans into larger and smaller squares. Sew them together, leaving out the outside of the pieces to fray. Sew a line of where you would like the fray to stop. Ask a friend to a picnic and they'll be amazed at your work of art. For this one, you'll need to find a pattern. There are some really easy patterns to find on the internet, and most of the time you can find them for free. If I find a pattern, I will link it in the description. Happy sewing! What a great way to recover an ottoman! Make designs of your choice out of some old jeans and make a circle to cover the top. Be sure to leave room to sew the top to your sides. Then make a straight piece that is as tall as your ottoman and as wide as the circumference of the ottoman. Since this is just a cover, you can take it off and wash it anytime you need. Sew several squares of old jeans together, leaving the raw edge out to fray. Grab some of your favorite other fabrics and use permanent fabric adhesive, or sew the squares of fabric to the middle of your blanket. First, cut a piece of darker fabric to go under your design. Make it the size of the purse. This will also serve as the lining. Set that aside and cut the strip of fabric you're going to be cutting your design out of. Use a fabric pencil or freehand your design to the lighter blue denim. To stop the design from fraying, sew around the outside of all your pieces that you cut out from the design. Sew your bag as shown in the photo and don't forget the handles. I continue to be impressed by these creative ideas. We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video. And if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. A super thanks would be great, but definitely not necessary. And a thumbs up would really help the channel so I can continue making videos. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you got value out of this video, which you know you did. And then go ahead and hit that thumbs up button to help push it out to other people that can get value out of this video. Have a fantastic day and thanks for watching. Peace out.